Set the main axis alignment to main axis alignment dot space evenly, and then in the children property call the icon widget. I'm gonna set the icon as icons dot add with the color of colors dot white. Let me call Open Sans now and give it a text as add expense with the size of 17.0 and a color of colors dot white. Next, let's create a function in the onPressed property call add expense and give it the context. I'm gonna set the splash color to colors dot gray and color to colors dot black. I'm also gonna tap into the shape property and call rounded rectangle border. Set the border radius to border radius dot circular with a value of 10.0. Now that we are done with the add expense button, we can go ahead and reload the app to see how it looks. Alright, as you can see, the login image and the add expense appeared. The budget app dashboard is gonna look really amazing. Let me minimize it now. I'm going to give it a sized box with a height of 30.0 and then write a comment. Let's create another sized box with a height of 45 and a width of 160.0. In the child, call a material button, then type child once again to give it a row and set main axis alignment to main axis alignment dot space evenly. In the children property, add an icon widget and set it to icons dot add and set the color to colors dot white. Next, call Open Sans and give it the text add income with the size of 17.0 and a color of colors dot white. In the onPressed function, let's call the add income function from the view model provider and pass the context. Let's tap into the splash color now and give it a color of colors dot gray and then set the color of the material button to colors.black. When it comes to the shape, set it to rounded rectangle border with a border radius of border radius dot circular with a value of 10.0. Let's go ahead and reload the app now, and the Add Income button has appeared exactly where it should be, perfectly. That is right under the Add Expense one. Let's go to the next part now. After the end of this sized box, let's call another sized box with a width of 30.0.